how to sunset smoky eyes. First, even skin tone with Too Faced Bondi Sway foundation in Truffle. Dab the foundation with a beauty blender for a soft natural finish. Then apply a darker shade of concealer towards the cheeks. Then a lighter peachy shade under the eyes for brightening effect. Set under eyes and T-zone with translucent loose powder. For these smoky eyes, I use Morphe's Second Nature Artistry palette. Start with pressing and buffing shade break all over the lids. Define the crease and the lower lash line with the mix of shade Rich and So Warm. Then dab this dazzling bronzy gold on the center of the lid. Use shade Pure, a creamy gold to highlight the inner corners. Then add shade Polished, a rose gold on the center of the lower lash line. For eyeliner, I use a gel formula. Start from the middle with mini brush strokes, then join from the inner corner. Always look straight to find your perfect wing shape. Then smudge the liner for a smoky effect. Dabbing softly onto the waterline with Kat Von D lash liner for an edgier look. Mix shade Brunette and Whisk for sculpting the face. Then add Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha Mami for a sun-kissed glow. Prime the lashes and apply loads of mascara for a dramatic look. Highlight high points of the cheeks. And bridge of the nose using shade Bronzed from Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dipped Glow Kit. I define and shape the lips with a creamy brown lip liner first. Then I add this velvety matte coral pink for a young and fun finish. Here is how to get these sunset smoky eyes.